Suck it. You got wheelie.
You killed Jar Jar. Now he's stuck on the wheel. Oh. Okay.
I'm mugging him.
Hey guys, this is Space Force Central, and I'm Jonathan, and this is...
How it's supposed to go.
This is...
Michael.
Throwing Jar Jar across the screen is not a good thing. But...
He dies too much.
We're here with the Halo Mega Box UNSC Gremlin
This
review.
one's mine, actually.
Yeah, that's his set. I thought it would be the most retarded set ever, but it's pretty good.
It's actually nice. I mean, you know...
Let's start with the figures.
It's a regular old Green Marine. We've all seen him mostly.
An assault rifle and a backpack.
Yep. I think, was he one of the ones... Some of my Marines, the backpack was just a little too long, so I had to cut some of them. I think he was one of them.
Might be. Here's a
Brute.
Old Brute with a Brute shot, which all of them come with spikers now, which is pretty nice.
Yep. He can put his Brute shot on his back and try and strangle the Marine.
Can't wait for the ones that come with jetpacks.
Oh yeah, I want one. The actual Gremlin, well, for starters, let me point something out. This is modded. The cannon actually doesn't swivel. Actually, it's locked down.
To point forward.
But, I mean, I thought that was a little gay, stupid, retarded, whatever you want to say. So I made mine swivel. It doesn't swivel all the way.
Lockdown mode.
You broke it.
Yeah, my bad. Here's the headlights if you'd like to see that.
It comes with a lot of stickers. There were so many stickers on this thing, I was getting really tired of putting them on whenever I was done. You got your little control panels here, so you know you can sit there and calibrate it.
Too many antennas, so it's like a control station.
Very much. And actually, if I were to... Let me see if I can do it.
Don't pop it off.
But if I take this top piece off, it's a void inside. It's just the walls, and there's actually a hollow void.
And there's an inside with a chair and a control
black
panel.
chair, not gray. Control panel and a yellow hood. It may look orange to you.
But it's yellow.
You know, and like the light here, this was modded, because actually that antenna is supposed to be on top of the light. But I locked it down because it kept falling off.
Here's the turret with a control panel on it.
Tires, well, it comes with pretty much Warthog tires, you know, rubber.
But a little bit bigger.
And these are two-parted. It comes with 7 of these, 6 on the actual vehicle and 1 spare. So, you know, Gremlin's got to come with one.
Engines right there.
It's got its engines here, and it's got 2 of these. Actually, I think one of these is supposed to be in a different location, but again, I modded.
Yep.
So, I mean, this is not actually true, and since you don't have the box, I can't show you the actual thing, but I could probably mod it back pretty easily. All you got to do is take off all these pieces here, which is a lot of pieces, actually, and just rearrange the antennas, and it'd be done. But this is the Gremlin. I love it. It's my medium armor.
Well, that's about all we got for this review, and this is Space Force Central signing out.